Today, I want to share with you a delicious peach jam recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. So let's start. I have 1.5 kilograms of peaches. I wash them well. I peel them with a fruit peeler. After I peel all the peaches, I chop them. You can also leave them in slices if you want, or you can cut it smaller. The size is up to you. I chop them into cubes. Then, I add 1 kilogram of sugar on it. I shake the pot a little and I close a lid on it. I put the pot in the fridge. I keep it in the fridge overnight. The next day, as you can see, the peach released its juice and the sugar is settled to the bottom. I strain my peaches with a colander and take them into a separate bowl. I'm trying not to take the sugar. The reason I do this is to prevent the RECİPES from boiling for a long time and prevent them from melting. That's why I take them out. I got all the peaches as you can see. I take the water and sugar to the stove. I turn on the stove. I mix it from time to time. It started to boil as you can see. Now I add 1 teaspoon of butter so that there is no foam and no overflow. As you can see, the foam is gone immediately. A little foam remained. I take it out. After the syrup of my jam starts to boil, I boil it over medium heat for 20 minutes. Then, I add a teaspoon of lemon salt. I add a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Later, I add the peaches I have taken into a separate bowl. I keep it on high heat to boil. After it starts to boil, I boil my jam for about 20 minutes over medium heat. So, I boiled my jam for about 40 minutes in total. I boiled the syrup alone for 20 minutes, and after adding the peaches, I boiled for 20 more minutes. I take out the foams on it again. From time to time, I mix it slowly. Its consistency is just fine. Now, I'm taking my jam from the stove. If you want to keep it for winter, you can fill it in jars while it's hot and close the lid tightly and turn the jars upside down. Or you can choose to consume it immediately. It's very shiny and has a great consistency as you can see. My jam is ready to be served. I hope you guys will try and like it. If you like my video, please don't forget to click the like button, and to be informed about my new recipes, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thanks for watching.